Hey guys! Today is super exciting because we're finally checking in at one of the most luxurious hotels here in the Philippines, Okada, Manila. It's such a blessing to experience this even just for 3 days and 2 nights. But hey, that's more than enough to enjoy, right? In this video, I'll show you how the check-in process went and of course, give you a quick peek inside our room. I am super excited and I can't wait to explore it with you. Let's go and check it out. Wala pa, check-in pa lang. Ito yung entrance, yung lobby ng Okada. Casino agad, di ba? Tama. Tama ba yun? Casino agad. Dito kami mag-check-in. Diyan sa area na yun. Dito. Ang check-in. Diyan kami mag-check-in. Counter number 2 daw.
So this is every top of the hour, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 minutes per show. So I will be giving you a fountain view smoking.
Thank you so much.
And this is an 18th floor. So this is your first time here in Okada, Manila?
Yes.
Since this is your first time po, we will be giving you an early check-in.
Wow, thank you. 3 p.m.
Yes.
Here, the reservation was already paid naman. So we will be needing 10,000 deposit.
Tapos makukuha namin siya upon check-out.
If you use cash.
Oh, cash. Kaya yung sinasabi ko ay we need cash.
Cash. If
Credit card.
Normally po, it will take 4 weeks po.
Matagal. This is what I'm saying.
So, ano?
Kung kaya pa ng cash, kaya pa ba?
Cash na lang?
We have ATM sa mga.
So, the room that they gave us is at the Coral Wing. This main entrance is the Pearl Wing. So, dito daw kami sa kabilang side. So, kahit saan part ng casino may entry. Ang time now is 1:32 pa lang. Inalaw na kaming mag-check-in. Thank you dun kay Mr. Jericho ng reception area. So, inalaw kaming mag-early check-in. In a few minutes, we will be entering at the Coral Wing lobby. Ito na siya. Ito yung Coral lobby. Ano elevator ang gagamitin natin? Kuya, ano kami? 18th floor? Saan kami pwedeng?
18th floor po, Coral po.
Opo, Coral.
Ano nyo lang yung
20. Nandito. Okay. Pwede kami mag-ano dyan.
Saan namin i-claim yung luggage namin?
Doon na. Nandun na siguro. Baka nasa room na. Ay, nasa ano pala tayo? Second to the top. So, 18th floor kami. The glass ballroom family. Solid spa.
Buti, hindi tayo nilagay sa
19th floor doon kasi. Doon ko daw sa rooftop at ikay nagsisigarilyo.
Ang 20. Naka-ano ka na. Naka-swing ka na doon.
Ikaw daw bahala ikaw daw may hawak na remote ng fountain. Meron ng ano?
Yung antag doon yung
Cable car. 18th floor. Oh, ito na yung 026.
Hi, Ma'am Sir here.
Apa.
Your luggage already delivered to you.
Okay. Bye ba?
Is there any special occasion?
Ala naman. Every day is a special occasion.
Sir, pag hinahanap yung occasion, birthday ko ngayon.
Happy birthday, Ma'am. Pero sabi ko sa
80. Oh, kaya naman marami talaga silang number, no?
Oh, kung pag sinabi mo na birthday mo, may surprise mo.
Kala ko may sasayawan kami sa harap. Sinasabi lang niya kung totoo.
sabi ko, hindi na surprise.
Hindi na surprise. Tama naman si Kuya. So, pag may special occasion, may surprise daw. Oh.
Your room, 10% discount, 10% key card.
Oh, keycard. Tap mo.
Tap and then open, Ma'am. Until green light.
Yeah.
Then open light.
What about yung mga water, sir?
Water coffee tea is a supplementary, Ma'am.
Refillable po ba siya?
Available po.
May mga restaurant po dito and convenience store. Just dial 0, Ma'am, if you have any requests.
Okay.
Just explore the tablet, Ma'am. Nandun po lahat to control the
Okay. Thank you.
Ayan o, i-vlog mo yun. Welcome sa beer. Diba? Nice, malaki yung room nyo.
Television,
Magkano
room
binayaran nyo?
controls,
Magkano ang
curtains.
charge sa atin pag... Ano? Ayan na, nag-o-open.
Ay,
Kasi
sa'yo,
view ng ano. Sana pala binidyo mo habang... Ayan o. Sarap ulit, tapos mag-set mo. Nice view. Ang ganda ng view. Ayan o. 12,000 ang per night. Pero sa atin, di ba muna?
May access din siya sa room dito sa kabilang side. So, ito na yun. Yung isa, yun yung luggage area. Tapos, ito yung... Nandito pala yung ano. For the complete room tour, I've got a separate video just for that. Please check it out. Thank you for watching.